Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding the best ways to earn big while studying in 2025. Earning money while studying is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. With rising tuition fees and living costs, students are facing unprecedented financial pressure. The good news is that it's entirely possible to balance work and studies, and I'm excited to share some strategies to help you do just that. One of the biggest challenges students face when trying to balance work and studies is time management. It can be tough to juggle lectures, assignments, and a part-time job, all while trying to maintain a social life. But the reality is that many students don't have a choice. They need to work to support themselves and their families, which can lead to financial pressure and stress. Additionally, many students struggle to find a job that fits around their studies. They may have to rely on low-paid or casual work that doesn't provide financial stability or opportunities for growth. And on top of that, there's the pressure to keep up with academic commitments, which can be overwhelming at times. Managing finances is another major challenge. Students need to budget carefully to make ends meet, which can be difficult when you're not sure how much you'll be earning from one week to the next. And let's be real, it's hard to resist the temptation to spend money on things you want rather than things you need. Despite these challenges, many students are finding creative ways to earn money while studying. From part-time jobs and online freelancing to innovative side hustles, there are plenty of opportunities to supplement your income and gain valuable skills in the process. One popular option is online freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer a range of opportunities for students to monetize their skills, from writing and design to programming and social media management. And the best part is that you can work on your own schedule, which means you can fit it around your studies. Another option is starting your own business. It may seem daunting, but with the rise of e-commerce and digital marketing, it's never been easier to start a side hustle. You could sell products online, offer services like tutoring or pet sitting, or even create and sell your own products. Some students are also getting creative with their earning strategies. For example, you could rent out a spare room on Airbnb, sell your skills on YouTube or TikTok, or even start a podcast. The possibilities are endless, and it's all about finding what works for you. But there's one earning opportunity that stands out from the rest, and that's creating and selling online courses. With the rise of online learning, there's a huge demand for high-quality courses on a range of topics. And as a student, you have a unique advantage. You're already an expert in your field, and you know what your peers want to learn. Creating an online course is a lot easier than you think. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host your course and promote it on social media or through email marketing. And the best part is that you can earn passive income from your course, which means you can sit back and reap the rewards while you focus on your studies. So to summarize, earning money while studying requires creativity, flexibility, and a willingness to take risks. By exploring different earning strategies, from part-time jobs and online freelancing to innovative side hustles, you can find what works for you and achieve financial stability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments about earning while studying. And if you want to learn more about effective study tips, be sure to check out my next video.